Hello and welcome to another video in POSAdvisors guide series on EncorePOS. My name is Billy, and today we'll be taking a look at the Daily Summary Report. This report takes the information from each of your end-of-day reports and the sales history file to create a spreadsheet which quickly gives you significant insight into the daily performance of your business. This exciting new report allows you to compare days of the week rather than purely dates, and easily compare sales from one year to the next. We'll get started today by logging onto the EncorePOS dashboard. Once at the dashboard, click on the Reports tab, select Sales, and click on the Daily Summary Report. This report is also available from the remote dashboard by tapping Daily Report. In this selection window here, labeled Format, choose how you would like EncorePOS to present your financial year. Under the monthly option, the report will build simply using the dates for comparison. Under the 12 or 13 periods, EncorePOS will compare the days of the week, beginning with the Monday directly before or on January 1st. Keep in mind that EncorePOS will remember your selection from session to session. In the second selection window to the right, labeled Ad Hoc, you can choose to view the current period by leaving this box checked. You can also choose a historical or future period by clicking on this checkbox next to Selected Period and clicking on this drop-down menu. Selecting a future period will give you an idea of what kind of sales and traffic you can expect so that you can plan and staff accordingly. At this point, we're ready to run the report. Click the Run Now button. Once the report is open, we can add notes to the spreadsheet by clicking on the blue plus signs on the left side of each entry. Type in the note that you'd like to leave for that particular day and click Update to apply it. Actual cash can be entered or edited by double-clicking on an entry box highlighted in this column and hitting the Enter key on your keyboard. As the spreadsheet builds over the month, these entries are saved and appear each time you run the report. Use the Show Hide Departments button found at the top of the report to view departmental totals. This report is also unique in that you can quickly compare sales, customer counts, and item counts from year to year. Additionally, you can choose which columns show up on the report. At this point, we can either export the daily summary to an Excel file, or we can send it straight to a printer. When you're done here, you can run another daily summary report by clicking Close here to take you back to the previous screen, or you can click the X at the top here to return to the dashboard. That'll about do it for this video today. Let us know what you thought by leaving a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest and greatest from POSadvisors. We'll have our support number in the description down below, so don't hesitate to call us if you need us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.